Welcome to the first module of Spreadsheet 1. Our goal in this video is to describe key features of spreadsheet software. So this is a typical spreadsheet. It's a way to organize information and to calculate things quickly and easily. Now it's organized in columns, labeled across the top with letters, and in rows, labeled across the sides. These are useful because when we're building formulas, we will refer to data by the column and row in which it's stored. So that's the key part of the layout. This is one workbook. You can have more than one worksheet. At the bottom we see this is labeled Sheet 1. And this plus would provide Sheet 2. So some of the key features are you can have different sheets. You can have nice printed output on one page and less nice background calculations on another page or another sheet. You can even have charts and data on a sheet on their own. Most modern spreadsheets have a few other key features. One of them is the ability to put in a function. One way to do that is just start by typing equals, and then we have function libraries that we can pull from. Okay, so say average and this sort of thing. So that function library that we can draw from is one of the key features in a typical spreadsheet. We can set that up. It says division by 0 when there's no numbers being averaged, but as we add numbers we see they're averaged. So that's one of the key features. We can enter information and have it calculate things quickly and on the fly. So as data changes, so do the results of our calculations. We can manipulate things with charts. Pivot tables are very advanced analysis. I doubt we're going to get to them in Spreadsheet 1, but they are an option. Here we have the functions I mentioned, and most of them have function libraries like this. So this is all the functions together. Others have them collected by type, so how they would be working. Date, engineering, the filters, financial information. These are some of the Google ones. Then we can access. There's information, logical lookup. There's a lot of math functions that are available. We've got concatenation, parsers. So we do have a number of different functions to pick from. Text in the web, import range is one that gets used a lot that allows one spreadsheet to read information from another spreadsheet. You can add links, checkboxes, so there's a number of things that you can add. Other key features include data sorting tools, filters with filter views, slicer. We've got named ranges, data validation, data cleanup, as well as some tools, mostly spell checking, autocomplete. And then at least in the Google Docs or Google Sheets spreadsheet, you can actually add additional add-ons and record macros. So if you do the same thing 50 times, you can record a macro and have it do that same thing 50 times in one click instead of 50. So those are the key features of a spreadsheet.